This is a room tour at the Vdara, room 28019. There's also a little doorbell. That's cute. Come in right here. This is a king studio. Right when you walk in, you have a kitchenette. Now, to be fair and honest, this is the second room they gave me. The first one, the lights in the bathroom did not work, so they switched me. The first room that I had was a bigger kitchen. The kitchen table was right here, and there was a little bit more space, but this is still very nice. So you have your sink right here. There is storage up here. They asked me if I would like a kitchen setup. They'll bring you pots, pans, silverware, everything you need. There is a stovetop right here, and there is a microwave. And down here is your refrigerator. And over here would be your mini bar, but they don't have anything in there right now. And I think because of COVID, they're still not doing the mini bar. But I don't use the mini bar anyways, but I will use that. Right here, you do have a mirror to check yourself before you hit the strip. You walk in here, and right here is your kitchen table. That in the other room, it was over there. So, but there is a full kitchen table, which is nice. You have your ice bucket and your cups. Air conditioning is over here. It feels pretty good in here. You have your entertainment center and a very big screen TV. Storage if you want to unpack. Have a nice little coffee table and a chair. And this is a pull-out bed if you need that. There's a little nightstand next to it. I will say the other room that I had first was a little bit different configuration. There wasn't a work desk. There was a chair right here, and it was a little bit wider of a room. But I am actually happy to have a desk to sit at and not have to sit in the kitchen. So I like that. Over here is a little nightstand, and this is an iPad that controls everything in the room. So you can order dining, you can have your, shows you pool, the restaurants, pool, spa, guest services. You can control your temperature and all that good stuff from there. And of course, the bed, very, very comfortable. King size bed. Another nightstand with your remote and your phone. Another mirror right here. This is the closet area. There's extra pillows in there. That's nice. Ironing board and iron. And the safe is right here inside the closet. You have a very large barn door that goes to the restroom. Restroom is very, very nice. Walk in, you have another little closet right here that you cannot open. No access, probably supplies. And here is a giant bathtub. I'm very happy to have another giant bathtub. Little stand with all your towels. Very nice vanity area, lots of space to get ready. There's extra cups. It's very nice when there's actual cups and not plastic cups. Lotion and soap. Some more soap right there. There is really good lighting for your makeup needs. I like that. The toilet is right here in the corner. Shower looks very nice. Very nice. And it has a little seat, you know, for tomfoolery, shenanigans, whatever you want to say. Your shampoo and conditioner and body wash. Very nice shower head. I tried it out already. Really good water pressure. One little picture over here. And this will do it. This was a room tour at the Vdara King Studio Room. If you like it, please thumbs it up and subscribe. And I will show you the view before I leave you. So here's the view. You get a view of Aria and a little bit of the strip and the stadium over there, but you also get a view of the pool. So I will be going down there because it's not crowded and it looks like fun. So this was a room tour, and until next time.